All right, let's talk about Claude Code. We're going to get this brand new AI agent from Anthropic up and running right inside your terminal. This is a quick one, so let's just dive right in. Okay, so let's just start with this. What if you had an AI that could actually read your entire code base? I'm not talking about just one file at a time. I mean the whole thing. And what if it could then edit files, run commands, all from your terminal? Sounds kind of like science fiction, right? Well, that's exactly what Claude Code is all about.
And look, this isn't just some far-off idea. This is a real tool you can grab right now. So stick with me for just a couple of minutes and we're going to get this thing installed and working for you. Seriously?
And you know what's wild? For a tool this powerful, you'd think the setup would be a huge headache, but it's shockingly simple. We're talking one command. That's it.
Okay, before we get to that one command, there are just two quick things you need to have ready. First up, you need Node.js on your machine. Make sure it's version 18 or later. And second, you'll need a Claude API subscription. Any of them will do, Pro, Max, or Team. Got those? Great, you ready to go? All right, go ahead and pop open your terminal. See that command right there? That's the whole magic trick. Just type it in, hit enter, and that's it. You're done. It installs globally, which means you can call it from anywhere. Okay, so installation is done. Easy, right? Well, launching it is even easier. Let's see how you actually start this thing up inside one of your projects. It's literally two steps. One, CD into whatever project folder you want to work on. Two, just type Claude. That's it, hit enter. What it's going to do is immediately start scanning everything in that folder to understand what's going on. From that point on, you're just talking to it in plain English. No weird syntax to remember. Okay, so it's installed, it's running, but what can you do with it? All this setup is pointless without a good example, so let's check out a super common real-world situation. So picture this. You've got a Python project, and you know something's broken in the authentication function. Ugh. Instead of spending an hour digging through files, you just tell Claude, find the bug in my authentication function, and fix it. Just like that, you're just talking to it. And this is where it gets crazy. You say that one sentence, and Claude just goes to work. It's a proper agent. It'll read your files, find the actual problem, and then show you a diff, the proposed changes. And here's the best part. It won't change anything without your okay. It asks for permission first. Once you say yes, it can even run your tests to make sure the fix didn't break something else, and then it'll commit the changes to Git for you, the whole workflow. I really want to hammer this point home. This is not just another autocomplete. We all have those in our IDEs. This is a completely different beast. It's a whole new category of tool. Let's just put it side by side. Autocomplete? It suggests the next little piece of code. Claude Code? It understands the entire code base. Autocomplete works line by line. Claude edits files, runs tests, the whole shebang. Autocomplete has zero project context. Claude can manage your Git commits. You see the difference? It's like having a helpful hint versus having a junior developer as a pair programmer right in your terminal. All right, so let's do a quick recap. What are the big takeaways here? 1, you install it with a single npm command. 2, you run it just by typing Claude in your project directory. And 3, the most important part. This is a full coding agent. It reads, it edits, it runs commands, and it even manages Git. It's the real deal. So in a nutshell, what is Claude Code? It's a coding agent that truly gets your project, and it lives right where so many of us spend our time, the terminal. This really could change how you interact with your own code. So the real question isn't just what it is, but what are you going to build with it?